Want to make your data easier to read by highlighting every nth, for example, every third or fifth row in Excel? It's super simple with conditional formatting. I've got a list of sales orders here, and I want to visually separate every fifth row to improve readability. First, let's select the whole data range from A2 to E16. Then go to Home Conditional Formatting. New rule I'll choose. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. And now we can use the mod and row formula combination. We subtract 1 because our data starts at row 2. This helps the row count start at row 2. In the Format section, you can select your color preference and close the Format section. Excel instantly highlights every fifth row in my data. This is super useful for cleaner reports, task tracking, or print-ready layouts. If this helped, hit subscribe and stay tuned. This is part 17 in our 500 plus Excel tips and tricks series. Thanks for watching.